Hey, Ann, Patrick here with Drive Interactive Group. Just want to say thanks for reaching out to me on my Facebook post about a website audit. As you can see here, I've got your website up here, so let's go ahead and dive in. First thing I want to start off with is basically just want to kind of go over some of the things that I really like about your website. So first things first, I love the fact you have your logo up here. Your menu looks great. These images, affordable, unique products just for you. I mean, I love that. I think that's fantastic. You have a shop now button, very easy for them to get to. Your mission, great to have there. A few of your favorites. These are, I guess, some of the items that they can purchase from your website that you have. Don't know how often you're updating this. I know it can be kind of difficult sometimes to keep it actively updated, but I would definitely suggest doing something like that. And then you have it linked to your Instagram photos, which is good. So stay in the loop. So if people want to go ahead and reach out to you or sign up for your newsletter, they can do that. So a lot of good stuff there. I mean, you have your I guess menus there. You do events and classes. Your about us, contact, and if they want to purchase a gift card. So lots of good things going on here for sure. One of the few things that I would change or at least add is, especially on the homepage, maybe in the footer, you have your phone number down here right by your copyright. I would go ahead and get rid of the phone number here and actually put Pearson Bell copyright, 2020, and I would put your phone number somewhere else where it's clickable, whether it be right down here. Maybe up here in the top top area up here, because at the end of the day, somebody might be looking for something specifically, and they want to be able to call you and ask you instead of having to go to your website and search through everything. So definitely would suggest that. The other thing I would do is, and I ran a quick report just to kind of find out what your title tag is. What means is basically this is what you're telling Google or the search engines what your website's all about. So essentially, it's your name of your company and home. So what I would do is I would change this. This is, like I said, on your homepage. You can see it kind of right up here. The other thing is if we go here, same thing here. There's your title, home. So maybe change it something to like Pearson Bell at home. Special gifts. I mean, I don't. Right here, affordable, unique products just for you. And then have the Pearson Bell there. So I think that would be great. The meta description, it's great. You talk about where you're located, what it is that you do. So I wouldn't change a thing there. So I went down here to look at the amount of content that you have on your website, and you don't have a whole lot of content, only 186 words. Because you're kind of like a boutique home store, you need to be able to rank because home goods. I think you're going to be, you're going to be competing against the big box stores in some fashion, just because of the type of business you are. Home goods store in Spring, Texas. Even though you're a small shop, you're still going to be competing against those folks. So it's going to be difficult to do. So by adding some content, maybe talking about I don't know, benefits of purchasing products from you. I did read in your about page that you used to be an interior designer, and I don't know if that's something that you still do. If it is, add that to your website. Anything that you do, whether it's a service. I know this is kind of like your website seems more of like a e-commerce site where people can go in and shop. But if there's any services that you provide, please put that information out there, because it's just an easier way to add content to your website. So great deal having a Google My Business page. You have 4 Google reviews, 5. I would go ahead and start asking your customers. Don't do it right now because of the COVID-19. Google has basically shut down the whole review process for Google My Business. So wait until this thing's over with. But once that happens, anytime you make a sale, reach out to them. Say, hey, I appreciate you coming in. We'd love it if you'd provide us some feedback. And what you can also do is add a testimonials area here on your website, where people have said something about about your business. So I think all those would be great things. I hope you found this informative. If you have any questions or need some assistance with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. But yeah, thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.